Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you're doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you Signal how to add contact. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. So the first thing that you need to do is head over and open up your Signal app, and then be sure to be logged into your account as well. Now once you're logged into your account, on the top right corner of the screen you'll be seeing a pencil and paper icon. Simply tap on that, and now on tapping it here you'll be sent to the new message section. Now in order to add a contact, what you need to do is you can either find by username or you can find by phone number. Simply select one of the options and then enter in the user number of your friend. Now once you do that, all you gotta do is tap on the selected contact and then send a request link, and then Signal will request access to your contact list. Allow permission, then choose the contact from your list. If the contact is not on Signal, you can invite them by tapping on invite next to their name. If you're using it from the desktop, open Signal desktop, click on the pencil icon in the left sidebar to start a new chat. Enter the phone number of the person you want to add. If they are already on Signal, their profile will appear. If the contact isn't on Signal, you can click on invite to send them an invite. So these are a couple of steps that you can do, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did and comment down below what the next video should be on. Consider subscribing to the channel. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.